What's up? I'm going to show you how to make a ground cable with things at home. So you just need one of these 3-prong power outlet cables. And basically we're going to be putting an end on like this. I'm using the IWISS insulated connector assortment kit here. Comes with this tool, really helpful. Anyways, you're basically just going to snip the ends off, right? And then pull back the wire out here. Now I'm going to take the wire strippers and pull off the plastics of those ones. Alright, now we're going to twist these all together. So now we have our straight piece here. I'm going to pop it into one of these. It's so easy, you just put it in there like that. Line it up. Oh, is that? Oh, right there. One-handed. Wasn't even hard. Oops. Let's check our ends here. Pull on it, not coming off. Pull on it, not coming off. So let's install it.